In this video, I will show you how to use Shiprocket with Shopify. So to do this, you will first need to have both a Shiprocket and Shopify account. Now, if you want to get started with Shopify, you can claim a 3-day free trial and then 3 months of Shopify for €1 or pound or dollar per month by clicking on the link down in the description. So after creating your Shopify account and store, you can then click on apps right here and go to all recommended apps and click Shopify App Store. Now to do this, your Shopify store location needs to be in India, since Shiprocket currently only works in India. So just search for Shiprocket and then click on it right here. So basically it's a shipping solution for shipping in India. So just click on install and then click on install again. And then here you can just sign into your account if you already have one. Or if you don't, you can just sign up. So then after you sign into your Shiprocket account, it's then connected to your Shopify account and you can then start using Shiprocket for your shipping. So it will help you with tracking, instant COD payments, instant pickup, and basically everything surrounding shipping in India. So now you know how to use Shiprocket with Shopify. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.